Hello guys and welcome to a new video. And in this video we are going to take a look at what are abort systems and their types. So let's begin. In every crewed rocket mission, safety of the crew is the topmost priority. While scientists putting tremendous effort to make the mission success, their thoughts are also aimed at protecting the lives of the crew. And one of them is the launch escape system or a launch abort system. It is a crew safety system connected to a space capsule. It is used to quickly separate the capsule from its launch vehicle in case of an impending explosion. The LES is typically controlled by a combination of automatic rocket failure detection and a manual activation for the crew commander's use. The LES may be used while the launch vehicle is still on launch pad or during its ascent. By the way, the idea of using a rocket to remove the capsule was developed by Maxime Praghet in 1958. So now let's begin with their types. A solid fuel rocket mounted above the capsule on a tower, which delivers a relatively large thrust for a brief period of time. To send the capsule safe distance away from the launch vehicle. As part of the aborting the flight, the tower system will be able to detach from the capsule after reaching a safe distance away from the launch vehicle. The capsule's parachute's recovery system can be used for safe landing on ground or on water. Blue Origin's New Shepard capsule has a motor powered by a solid fuel in the center of the capsule. But why they didn't go with the traditional tower? So they are trying to operate as inexpensive and frequently as possible, being fully reusable. Secondly, the windows get covered when we have an abort tower, so you don't completely overload them. And covering the world's largest windows would not be a good idea. Under NASA's Commercial Crew Development Program, SpaceX invented their own version of LES, which is known as Pusher LES. Also referred as pusher arrangement since it lacks a tower. The Dragon capsule LES removes both capsule and its trunk together with the Super Draco engines. And safely splashdowns in the ocean. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe.